Hello dear students, welcome to IAS in-depth classes. Today we are going to learn a new concept named sinkholes. So this terminology comes under the subject geography, right? So please look at the screen. I have taken Google Earth to learn this concept. So these sinkholes are very famous in a state of United States of America. Which state? The state of Florida. Okay, so Florida is located in the southeastern part of USA, right? So I am zooming into Florida. So this is United States. You can see on the screen, this is United States, and to the southeast of United States you will be able to see the state of Florida, right? If you zoom into Florida, you will be able to see a lot of lakes in the mid portion, in the central portion of Florida. So I'm zooming in, just focus, right? Starting from the south, you will be able to see an increased frequency in the number of lakes or the formation of lakes. So here you will be able to see a number of lakes. The circles, the shape of circles are actually lakes. So what is the reason behind the formation of a large number of lakes in the middle part of Florida? This is an important question, right? Okay, so we can explain why this formation of lakes in the mid portion of Florida, right? So the name of these geographical phenomena is sinkholes. Okay, sinkholes are actually depressions formed because of chemical weathering, right? Chemical weathering and deposition and erosion and deposition of limestones and dolomites, right? These are carbonate rocks. So in the mid portion of Florida you will be able to see limestone topography or limestone landforms or karst landforms, KARST. Okay, so because of the mixture of acidic rock and acidic water and carbonate rocks, there will be a formation of karst landforms. So I'm taking a note from Florida Department of Environmental Protection. They have clearly written what is sinkholes, what is the reason behind the formation of sinkholes. So sinkholes are a common feature of Florida's landscape. Okay, the state of Florida. They are one of many kinds of karst landforms. So there are many types of karst landforms like caves, caverns, CAVERNS, caverns or caves or disappearing streams, springs, underground drainage systems, stalactites, stalagmites, right, etc., etc. So these are karst landforms, and karst refers to the terrain formed by erosion, okay, formed by erosion after chemical weathering and dissolution of limestone or dolomite when exposed to acidic water. So when water is getting mixed with carbonate rocks dissolves in acidic water, and there will be disappearance of landforms. New landforms forms like caves, stalactites, stalagmites, disappearing streams, springs, underground drainage systems, etc., etc. So erosional process create extensive underground voids and drainage systems. So in Florida, just beneath these sinkholes, or just beneath the houses here, you will be able to see, or there is the presence of a lot of caverns, caves, and underground streams, underground caves, subsurface caves. So there is a danger living in this locality. Okay, the people living in this locality cannot predict when a sinkhole form, right? When a sinkhole form, the land they're living in, that will disappear to the subsurface, and the rainfall, the rainwater will get collected in these sinkholes or these depressions, and there is no way for this water to move away. There is no external drainage system. So that's the reason behind the formation of lakes in this region. So there is a connection between the subsurface drainage or subsurface streams with these sinkholes, right? And there are also dry sinkholes, and there is an example for dry sinkholes. It's a Florida caverns in Mariana. Dry caves are part of karst drainage systems that are above the water table. So if it's below water table, there will be presence of lakes. If it is above water table, it will be dry caves, where you can see stalactites and stalagmites and other karst landform features, right? I hope you understood this concept. You can apply this in the topic karst landform. This topic comes under the subject geography, and you can quote the example of Florida, right? It's a very good example because you'll be able to see a lot of lakes in this region. So I'll zoom out again and zoom in. So here is Florida, right? The famous Miami Beach. It's located in Florida, and what you have to do is you have to go to the central part of Florida to find these lakes. There are a lot of lakes. See, n number of lakes, right? N number of lakes, small ones, big ones, medium sized ones. Here is the small ones. Okay, these are small ones. These are small ones, right? It's beautiful, but at the same time it's very dangerous as well. Okay, all right. So thank you for listening to this class. If you like this class, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.